Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into a topic that literally controls every smart business decision in the world. And trust me, once you get this, you'll never look at money the same way again. Let's start with a simple question. Imagine someone offers you $10,000 today or $10,000 1 year from now. Most people might say it's the same amount. What's the difference? But in reality, thinking that way can make you lose money, miss opportunities, and even hurt your business. This is where the time value of money, or TVM, comes into play. So, what exactly is TVM? It's the simple idea that money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future. Why? Because the money you have right now can be invested and start growing. It's a clean, simple, and incredibly powerful concept. This isn't a new idea either. Its roots trace back to ancient civilizations from Mesopotamia to the early banking systems in Italy. Merchants quickly realized that lending money over time required compensation. They understood that time itself creates value, and that value is what we call interest. Now, let's look at the formula that every finance student, banker, and entrepreneur lives by. Future value equals present value multiplied by 1 plus the interest rate raised to the power of the number of periods. It sounds complicated, but it's not. Let's use an example. Say you have $1,000 today, and you invest it at an 8% annual interest rate. What happens after 3 years? Using the formula, your $1,000 grows to about $1,260. Your money grew by over $250 simply because time passed. No extra effort, no sweat, just smart understanding. So why is this so critical for companies? Because almost every major business decision depends on it. Should we invest in a new project? Should we buy new equipment? Should we take a loan now or wait? Companies use TVM to calculate investment returns, loan payments, and even the cost of delaying a decision. It helps them evaluate risk and determine the profitability of future cash flows. Even giants like Apple and Amazon use TVM daily to decide if spending money today will bring them more in the future. And here's the best part. TVM isn't just for big corporations. It shapes your personal life too. From your savings account and credit cards to buying a house and planning for retirement, TVM is silently guiding everything. If you ignore it, time will control your money. But if you understand it, you control both your money and your time. So, the real question is, are you using the time value of money to grow your wealth, or are you letting time eat away at your opportunities? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful business insights. Remember, money grows with time, but only if you let it. Thanks for watching.